Mission 3, Take 1. Greetings, this is Team 3D, and we're attempting Mission 3. So, now we have Dash, who's about to knock down the mech under Building 1. When I press the button 1, it knows to go towards the first building. However, it needs to knock down the mech behind without injuring the building. Without touching the building, it hurts the mech. Now, another function called Go Back 1 is able to bring it back. So now, when the mech comes back to Building 2, he's more angrier, and now his red light is flashing. So, Dash knows it's Building 2, so it must press the second button. Yet he's able to knock over the mech again while untouching the building. He's able to still go back there. There is a third button, which I don't know why it was added there, so I made it a celebrating button. When I press button 3, he starts to dance. He crashes into something while he's dancing.